Should pop-up matcha drink stands offer whipped cream toppings? Yes, they should offer whipped cream as an optional topping, as long as it fits the stand's menu, equipment, and customers' preferences. Whipped cream can make a matcha drink look more special, taste sweeter, and appeal to people who are trying matcha for the first time. Matcha has a grassy, earthy flavor, so the soft sweetness of whipped cream can make that flavor feel gentler and easier to enjoy. It can also make drinks more attractive in photos, which may encourage customers to share them online and bring more attention to the stand. However, whipped cream should be an add-on rather than the main feature, because too much sweetness can cover up the taste and quality of the matcha. A useful approach is to offer a small portion at an extra charge and let customers choose whether they want it. Stands should also use a chilled dispenser or sealed canister, because dairy toppings can become unsafe when they get warm. An interesting detail is that whipped cream can change how quickly a drink separates, so it is best added right before serving instead of being prepared far ahead of time. To make the option more useful, pair it with toppings such as cinnamon, vanilla, strawberry sauce, or a light dusting of matcha powder. One common mistake is using whipped cream to hide low-quality or bitter matcha, so the better fix is to improve the powder, water temperature, and mixing method first. Another mistake is making the toppings so large that the drink becomes messy and difficult to carry, so keep it modest and use a secure lid with enough space. Some stands also forget to ask about allergies or dairy preferences, so clearly offer a non-dairy whipped topping when possible and label every option. It is also important not to assume every customer wants extra sweetness, so make the topping optional and explain its flavor briefly when taking the order. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.